Somebody got stabbed and died, so I do think that there is going to be some kind of crime here. The nurse was walking to his car one night after leaving his shift at work. As he neared his car, a man with a ski mask and a knife approached the nurse and threatened to kill the nurse if the nurse did not hand over his wallet. The nurse kicked the man and punched the man several times, and the man fell to the ground, unable to get up. The nurse, angry that he got attacked, grabbed the knife, then stabbed the man in the chest. The man died instantly. What crime should the nurse be charged with? Really looking for one best answer in this case. A says first-degree murder. Well, we know with first-degree murder you need intent and premeditation, and that's not what happened here, so we can cross off A pretty confidently. B says second-degree murder. Second-degree murder is don't need premeditation. Malice aforethought is kind of this tricky term of art. Extreme recklessness, intentional infliction of bodily harm, but then death results from that. Or it's just that they do act with the intent to kill, but they're not guilty of first-degree murder. And second-degree murder looks like a good answer right now. C says voluntary manslaughter. Voluntary manslaughter is that heat of passion standard. Something happens and then it provokes the actor to then do something out of that heat of passion. They don't have time to cool off. A lot of times you'll see examples of that when a wife walks in and sees her husband with another woman. D says no crime. Somebody got stabbed and died, so I do think that there is going to be some kind of crime here. So it's not A and it's not D. I'm between B and C. I'm pretty equally split between B and C in this scenario because second-degree murder, to me, that sounds like malice because he either wanted to kill him with a knife or he wanted to inflict serious bodily harm and then the guy happened to die from it. I don't hate B. C, one part in the facts that say the nurse was angry that he got attacked, then he grabbed the knife and he stabbed the man in the chest, didn't cool down, and he was provoked. Can't ignore that fact, otherwise it wouldn't have been in there. Heat of passion falls under voluntary manslaughter. I do think that there's also an argument that it's second-degree murder. I think the best choice here, even though it's a little bit tricky, has got to be voluntary manslaughter. The answer is C. I do have to memorize those elements and then match facts to those elemental definitions. Just gotta remember the elements.